Harley. So, and I had to work. I had to go back to work today. So oh yeah. Yeah.
Playing in the curtains. Daddy's closet.
We are too. All right. We'll see you, buddy. See you. Bye.
Where's the brothers? Look at their feet sticking out. Whoa.
Easy.
Ah!
Whoa. You okay?
Where's Tyler?
Where's Tyler?
Ah! Whoa!
Easy.
He's gonna fall in there. He's on top of Tyler.
Hey, here.
It's alright.
It's okay. He's just playing. You okay? He's just playing. He fell on you. It's okay.